Welcome to LV ReLoved. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Lisa and today we are talking about Louis Vuitton. Actually, if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, all my uploads are about Louis Vuitton. I have an unboxing and it's not the traditional unboxing because I bought this on Poshmark. The box was really tattered. It actually wasn't even sealed. I had to open it up and inspect it before I accepted the package. So we get to do a quick unbagging. This is actually a PreLoved pair of shoes. It was described as very clean and used 2 to 3 times. It was a 2018 item that wasn't even, it was off the website and in record time. Was never on my radar until recently. I'll tell you that in a minute. But these are the Bom Dia in pink. The pink Bom Dia Mules. Aren't those fabulous? Just as she described them, perfect. Since I bought a couple of things, it did go over the $500 mark, and that offers Poshmark's Concierge Authentication Services. Poshmark Concierge Authentication Service. They did authenticate it. As part of my safeguard system, I always send to another authentication to get an actual document. That is something I do unless I buy it at the store. I send it out to a third-party authenticator to get another opinion just so I have that document. I've had my fair shakes of fake items and I've always been able to return them. It's pretty safe with their return policy if you catch it. On the bottom there is some scuffing. By recommendation, one of my girlfriends is put on some of that vinyl Protectant. It's like a vinyl wrap. You cut it to size. It's repositional and you place it where you want it. You seal it with heat like a hair dryer. It's really easy, foolproof, and it does not leave a mark or do any damage to your shoes. People have been doing it forever and I just found out. So if you have a flat shoe or maybe a pair of tennis shoes, you want to try and keep the tread looking nicer, give it a try. It's an experiment. Yeah, these were very good condition. I got these for almost a third of the price. There they are. The hardware is fabulous. I actually, in the time that I was doing my little model show, which I hope you stay around to see because there's some little mishaps in there, or as my son would say, epic fail. I rubbed that gold off, or some of it. So there is the heat stamp. It was like perfect when I got it. And now, just from the few amount of times I was wearing it, it's already starting to wear off. So this is the bottom. And you can see where the vinyl is. These are slippery. Now that I have the vinyl on there, I need to scuff them up. You'll see why. They are very comfortable. Right now they're really slick. I wanted to show you inside, so just so you can get an idea. Date code. And the heat stamp, again, is right there. This did not come with a box, but that's okay. They are somewhat adjustable, but I believe that it's primarily for looks. There was no wear at all on the print. They were very clean. I think I probably wore them more than she did in the amount of time I tried on a couple pair of pants. So my dilemma was, and why I'd like you to stick around and see, is I never really liked slides until about a week ago. Now I have 3 pair. When I got these, I'm like, what am I gonna wear with them? I don't need any more shoes to wear to yoga. This is a purposeful item. I want to make sure I wear it with effort because, these are not your everyday wearing to the gym, in between workouts and stuff. That's not what these are for. But I just didn't know what to wear with them because they are a little bit masculine. I like more of a feminine shoe. To me, this is masculine. It's like a Birkenstock, it's like Fred Flintstone type shoe. In my mind, the perfect match, the perfect outfit for these type of shoes would be something that shows the ankle. Not necessarily shorts at all, but more like a capri or a crop jean. Something that shows the feminine side of your ankle as opposed to the Bigfoot side of our chunky mules here. Stick around for the mod shots. Let me know what kind of bottoms you think look best, and until next time. Oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell.